everybody, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a quick drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Turtle, because yes you can, and I'm going to show you how in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using a green dry erase marker. So if you have those things and are ready to get started, then so am I, and here we go. The first thing you're going to do is something that I know you can do. Right in the middle of your paper, you're going to draw a capital D. You're looking, probably saying to yourself, Miss Norris, that's not a turtle, but watch this. Then you're going to turn it on its side. Closer. On one side of your D, which you now know is your turtle shell, you're going to make a shape that looks kind of like a thumb. Like this. That's going to be your turtle's head. And on the other side, you're going to make a skinny triangle. That's your turtle's tail. So far, so good? I knew it. Then, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to make a capital L and then carry it back up to the top. And you're going to do the same thing on this side, except for make it a backwards L. And carry it back up to the top. And then to make some more back legs, you're just going to make a little line out and a little line up. So you can see his leg is further away. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just make an L. Now, with a turtle, you can give him some little turtle toes. Just little bumps. Or you can leave them blank if you want to. That's how, it's up to you. How do you want to make your turtle? Now, for those of you who've watched any of the other Yes You Can videos, you know that the next step is my favorite. And that's because we get to make a face. The first thing you're going to do is give your turtle an eye. So right on your thumb shape, you're going to make a circle and color in a little pupil. And as you know, anytime I get to spend drawing with you is a happy time for me. So I'm going to make a happy little turtle. And you could be done right now if you want to be, but I'm going to add some little designs to my shell. I'm going to start off with maybe another little D. And maybe a thumb. Maybe a teardrop. Maybe half of a triangle. It's really up to you how you want to decorate your turtle. You could make a striped turtle. You could make a polka dot turtle. You can have a turtle with toes. You can have a turtle with no toes. You could have a turtle that's wearing an amazing headband with antennas. It's all up to you. But right now you have a very basic turtle, and I hope you're very happy because I know that I am. If you liked this video and you accomplished making a beautiful turtle, hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of this page. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when other new videos come up. See you next time. Bye.